Utie Oha Echi Ponkno Needs FM.
About the admission, I don't think say who Ghana school beyond I can say one jing. Yes, in fact, I remember time na issue no buy no. In Kolani Bako can say the cousin be ewo St. John's grammar. Be ye ko apa obeko because school die a structure.
Yeah.
Clear there a idea winning after the boy made that statement there. Enti say obeko school be there and no any problem. It is the Kodanum right. Say school now person beko no. They want to go to a different school any issue. But in Kodan understand now any parents and they said they want to fight for a common cause be there BBAC. Young who Nini and Sana ya different. That's why they are maybe the advice you go to the parents say Munku sa kunwe no. Mumma Kodan question adi of a different. The man say I will release our case with Krapa. Somebody say someone fine. Moon say someone fine. Then you have also fought something. When you GES issue, I don't think it's a GES issue to advise they should admit them in the school because the kids can go to.
But according to the Ghana Africa Education Watch, GES should find schools for the kids.
If it's the same thing, so if they find, they will find a school for them at one school, and they are not accepting them.
Okay.
So any issue no. For me, I know any issue no.
Okay.
Because school them, but I don't know school. GES process na idea school na munya school achimota. Omo we yomo juma. But achimota they was she say yes school no. Yem pesa say I was school no more. And she say it now on the children. Any parents say me fighting fear as they say crap traffic light to school no more. One year crap na traffic light got check on the no. One call in temp na traffic mention no. What make a school for be to have the kid. But it's not the parents. I'm right now, I'm fighting. Okay. So I think for me, I don't think say it is something about say. One say, I'm my young cousin again, because at times never be say so. Not bro for cousin also. I think simple things will make it look too much grammar.
We didn't have even generated into
you grammar too much. Yeah, grammar. Grammar no there also. And then never be a so simple. We'll resolve it easily no. If you look at the application now, we are lawyer, but lawyers, what we say ruling now baby yeah, a effect or that year. At times they don't allow this kind of a share now penal. Say me mark what I say. Call this out. Not school and you know so. The rule literally say and same for some go school now. And I do no more from so. So they will allow it to be say more be yes so problem no answer now. They say obi a when you answer say problem no be. No, I can say because my daughter cement is means me die. No, because they be okay. With the nurse, I said, they be good, you know. And think, but I said in the house, I name you as someone. These are some of the issues I think that we have to relate to such issues. And a bit and I'm here, you know, say, who say young man go school by force. Nancy, I am on school, say because of what you didn't have go school. Who say I'm on school, and which way you have someone that I don't know. And it means idea almost a man, you know, so sit back. That is what the application meant.
Okay.
Sit back. If you are someone as I say, over go school no, then you will go. Okay. But for now, only there, school is a member. Who say I was a member, but I mean, go. Now, if you are sana, they see they be free. They see it now. They be for me. I think say a law issue and but I believe say the way it has started. I doubt say they will get you to the way as I say, yeah. Who's a Ghana? Case is starting as I throw I know maybe echo.
You better pass them not true.
There's something a throw say yeah. There's 7 now. Who call very 9?
Okay.
Who says a throw I don't maybe idea echo. So, but I believe say they are fighting a good cause as a country because our laws at any given time we better test the law no to see send it. And then in fact, we need to also applaud them. I'm fighting because they are speaking for many. Yeah. They are speaking for many. If you have been a want when I say at the end of the day, no, a boy man a shape BB. Because case be especially going to this higher court, Supreme Court, it's only allow her to shape the country. And what I mean shape or mine say, Sana took no be the ha. Obi abe say we no, obi to be use no, na see one. That is what is happening. Okay. So those issues are but I think we need to also apply for us. In fact, this is something as a national interest.
Yeah.
I am for dream and who say If you say, I say maybe you so no. It shouldn't be said because obi feel say metan rasta fonti they be because who nya rasta. No. No. For me, that is why when the issue of Kaswaba, you know, no for breaker any television stations, any issues way, no be someone say the closest station is there, yes, I do you know. I saw the men soon the best stop on TV so. Because I saw people have me who do you believe in me believe in. So which one are you going to close? So we need to do a broad conversation. Say, on my own, how are we building it? Then but times when those things come, the bear grow, the bear say maybe a taobi, they are kosher a chrono, say because of me a rasta fronti,
but some Rastafarians are very, very good.
It is not about some. It's not about some.
Okay.
It is about, you see, who is even genuine person in this country? Now tell me.
You won't get.
I'm a genuine.
You won't get.
Addressing a genuine. In fact, I'm going to be a address a pay. Eh? Ghana, I'm going to dress in neat. Officer, I'm going to say, your office will be a copy of the crap on so who is genuine? We should just have a conversation. I think that it has come at a point as a country. A bit me allow for us to do more conversation on those because schools in the no, they allow such things to happen. Some schools don't allow such things. In fact, it got to a point. Obekaya, at Isadel.
Isadel College.
There's a guy, a Muslim guy, died just because now about bread. No,
yeah, I remember.
Sorry.
No, Johnny.
Now, because
there was a church service.
Yes, church service, but I'm not
a Muslim.
No, a Muslim. Man was at 20 because it's running away from a dear and part of its no and opera your way. From there, in the age share or Ghana, the schools to allow practicing of prayers in the schools. It happens. It's a conversation that will come for us to take it serious. But I couldn't. But we might say he has died matter because he died for something to be corrected. Yeah. So we need to be going deeper than looking at the things surface. Because people can say, now it's a school, you can say Muslims, but it's a Ghanaian school.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's something I think say for me, it's a broader education, a conversation. Yeah, now young Koso, now because as we are doing this argument today, we are talking about this thing. Something will come tomorrow. It is even for us as a country, say, we project say, where no, be say with me about Ochino.
The moment found within 2 years.
Yes, we need to look at all those things because we are getting to a point, a country that they say freedom of speech, freedom for everything is coming on. We are getting to that level. A better stage, that we are campuses, even though universities in me the car because that level no. But in driving every year. In fact, it has now caused some speed ramps in Yama or campuses. Yeah. Which means they know say driving car driving by heart to school. But
yes, as a country, no BBC I see a Timmy Gina so na DBC etimi CSC BB. Then a bear
that's it. But you see, most of the times you know, is where they use the word
hypocrites.
We always look good. We don't talk it brother. And that is our challenge. That is joy. These issues are going to be about these Sakawa issues. Oh, Ubeka Sakawa say, boys in but do you know the implications of Sakawa? In fact, Mama, when the Sakawa started, almost had some more talkers. Oh, my cast in Kitty and Bob because when the seeker control, it doesn't care. Okodu car dealer or no Kotoka.
Boy price be a price.
Into the market. Okoto adi oko restaurant no koto adi a what you have boom on fan now call standard. Yeah, talk. In fact, go to mining community. In never boy a day. Seen everywhere. The same food you eat, the same water you drink, the same hotel you sleep in. Mining communities, new boy a day. Because they get the money. Especially if you are galamse and also. Because they use it the way. So these are some conversations. For me, I think that we need to be doing much conversation.
Stakeholder consultations.
You never say, but over can now review pair. If I can say, I'm the say, bro, for no, cancel. Oh, we need to be reviewing.
So we are doing all this in the interest of Ghana.
But no mama can review, no more over cancel. Me say, oh, so at times something simple. I the say we will get to this point. People will be shy away to open up for conversation. And that is where the problem is. But next idea for these school issues there, I think let us all see how the court will end the whole case. A better lessons to all of us. But yeah, so any share be man the whole schools. Yeah, so any share because over elections are from 92. The courts are here elections here to a baby and the improvement baby at every given time. Court to be a fact, the last 2013 court in a call, it gives us another some improvement in our elections. This one, the new the improvement because there was no much recommendations that came to the court. But one of the court issues now, I think, by the way, and it's the electoral commissioner. Let me get result. Because we never got result in every year. But maybe we'll go beyond it tomorrow to learn all those ones. But I think conversation truly must happen in many things that we have in this country. You shouldn't, in fact, then somebody will give you an example. In America, we are not American. We are not America. We are Ghana. Let us deal Ghana way. Let us do it Ghana way and get it done. Oh, compare people international office say we go America but Ghana 4 years to buy it 10 year. I will be watching the issues the way it will
as they unfold.
Application yes, that's a year through the
Would ye or ha extra punk no? Needs FM.